This is Tom, a supervisory sales associate in the Nailed It Home Improvement store. Thanks to mobile connectivity on his device, Tom is always in touch and sees that today's stock delivery from the warehouse is going to be a little late. But he isn't worried. He knows what time the stock will arrive, thanks to the GPS link on the Windows devices the company drivers have been issued. He can see exactly where the lorry is, just a few minutes away. Nothing annoys customers more than an out-of-stock item, especially if they're on promotion. The company's existing infrastructure is Windows-based, so Tom's device can seamlessly and wirelessly connect to corporate resources to check if an item was included in the day's delivery. Now that's confirmed, Tom is able to progress the customer's purchase because his device integrates perfectly with the company's existing e-commerce technology. Using the device's camera, he scans the barcode from the empty shelf, reserves the item for the customer, and sends the assistant to the loading bay to collect the product. An alert from his device informs Tom that there's a product from the same range on special offer, and it's in stock. Thanks to the rich media and browsing capabilities, including support for Adobe Flash, Tom is able to show the product detail directly to the customer whilst they await the return of the assistant. Using the new Edge browser in Windows 10, Tom can even sketch directly into the catalogue page to give the customer some ideas on how the two products will fit together. The customer happens to have a small USB drive on his keyring, and Windows devices support USB, so Tom can save the page with his sketch onto the USB drive. Not only does the customer get the product, but he gets a piece of Tom's experience and advice along with it. Sandy has just finished a hair and beauty consultation for a client and is on her way home. Mobile connectivity means her stop at the florist doesn't mean a stop in business because she can catch up with her schedule. A cancellation allows her to fit in a new client who requested a wedding hairstyle practice session. She quickly finds the contact in her Skype for Business list and sees the client is online. A quick video chat later and Sandy has filled a cancelled appointment, made her fiancé very happy, and possibly met the man of her dreams. With Connected Standby, Sandy's emails are always synchronized and she receives a message from her client with hairstyle ideas attached. Because her device can run full Outlook, there's no problem opening the email attachments. Some of the ideas include flowers, so it's a good job Sandy happens to be at a florist. Business can happen anywhere, and the right device can help you grab it. Sandy sends the new appointment details to her assistant so she can update the client database and mailing list. At the appointment, Sandy is able to access the photographs and uses her digital pen to draw her ideas on screen so that the client can share her inspiration. And in the event of a lost device, staff can locate, lock, or even wipe any device to which they're authorized in order to protect sensitive data. Being one device down isn't a problem. Sandy's device can be shared as each user is able to have a unique profile, and being connected to the cloud means user files are accessible from anywhere. In his chic coffee shop, Julian is enjoying a brief lull before the lunchtime rush. He taps his device to pair it to the shop's NFC-enabled speaker and chooses the morning's music for the cafe, playing wirelessly from his tablet. Julian uses Office Lens to snap the day's menu, which he's written on the blackboard. With OneNote, the menu is trimmed, enhanced, and digitalized into text before being sent to the coffee shop website and his supplier as a heads-up for the stock Julian is going to need. Today, Julian has the fun task of interviewing candidates for a new barista vacancy. He can access his calendar to schedule interviews whilst remaining on the floor to ensure that he's available to help his staff. The first applicant is due any minute, and Julian can use the full Office applications to view the candidate's CV and personal statement exactly as they're intended. On competitive tablets, Office documents often don't display correctly. With OneNote, Julian can jot down his thoughts on the interview and even record the audio for later reference. Connecting with customers and partners in the world of retail is never predictable. Versatility is a must, and with Windows, that's guaranteed.